What's the meaning of brotherhood? Brotherhood. Brotherhood.
Brotherhood. Brotherhood. The term brotherhood refers to the bond of unity and mutual support that exists between a group of people who share a common goal or interest. It is characterized by a sense of loyalty, trust, and camaraderie, where the needs and well-being of each member are valued equally. Brotherhood can be found in a variety of contexts, such as in military units, sports teams, workplaces, and social organizations. The result of brotherhood is a strong sense of belonging and purpose, where individuals are encouraged to work together and support each other towards a common objective, resulting in a greater likelihood of success.